Hello, string orchestra. This is an instructional video to help tie up a few loose ends you might have about some music theory content that we started learning about second trimester, but didn't quite put the finishing touches on. So during our home distance learning time, I'd like to make sure everybody understands a few of these music theory concepts, and today's concept is key signatures for major scales and major key signatures. So you might think back to when we learned about the ladder of fifths, the fifth meaning 5 notes across from each other. So for instance, the G, A, B, C, D. D, 1 string up, is 5 notes up from G. D, E, F sharp, G, A. The A is 5 notes up from the D string. All of our notes on violin, viola, cello are 1/5 up from each other when you go to the next higher string. It works for all notes. You could start on the note B, and then you'll have B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. B, F sharp, straight across the street from each other, and that's a fifth. So basses, remember, your strings are tuned in fourths instead of fifths. D, E, F, G, 4 notes apart. If you'd like to find out that fifth relationship, you need to go backwards to your strings rather than to the next highest string. So when we were learning about the ladder of fifths, we learned that 0 sharps and flats is the key of C, C. So when we climb up the ladder of fifths, you just need to count up 5 notes and then be remembering that we're adding sharps. So every time you add more sharps, then you have to also call the note that sharp name. So for instance, when we go from 0 sharps to 1 sharp, the first sharp is F sharp, of course. You go C, D, E, F sharp, G. 1 sharp is the key of G. It's also a scale that starts on the note G. That's why there's an F sharp leading tone in G. 2 sharps, G, A, B, C sharp, D. It's the scale that starts on D. It has 2 sharps in it. Let's keep going. D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. 3 sharps, A major. Let's keep going. A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. 4 sharps is the key of E major. 5 sharps. E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. 5 sharps is the key of B major. 2 more. B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp. 6 sharps is the key of F sharp. And then 7 is the most sharps there are. There's 7 sharps. Everything is sharp. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. That is the key and the scale of C sharp major. So C major has 0 sharps. C sharp major has all sharps, 7 sharps. Guys, you can use the same exact system going down into the flat realm, except you just need to go the other direction on your strings. So if you're starting on the note C, find a C someplace on your instrument, maybe 2 fingers on the A string, hop straight across the street, C to F. That gives you 1 flat, and that flat is B flat. So we'll go, the key of F has 1 flat. Okay, using that same logic, let's find an F and hop down the string 1. 2 flats is the key of B flat. Now notice, it's not the key of B. B has 5 sharps. All the notes are different. You've got to call it the key of B flat. Going down further, B flat down to E flat is 3 flats. E flat down 1 string is A flat. A flat has 4 flats. Let's find another A flat because we're kind of running out of room on violin anyway. A flat down a string, D flat. D flat has 5 flats. D flat down a string, G flat, that has 6 flats. And G flat down 1 more string has 7 flats, that is C flat major. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to play all of those roots of this ladder, all the way up and all the way down. You might remember we've done this in class a few times. I will invite you, please, to play these 4 notes with me, and then we'll take a quick pause. You'll think about the name of the next scale, and you'll say it with me, okay? So we start with 0 sharps, 0 flats. That's C major. 1 sharp, G major. 2 sharps, D major. 3 sharps, A major. 4 sharps, E major. I'm gonna find another E someplace on my instrument. 5 sharps, B major. Find another B. 6 sharps, F sharp major. And the last one, 7 sharps, C sharp major. Let's climb back down. 7 sharps, 6 sharps, F sharp major. 5 sharps, B major. 4 sharps, E major. 3 sharps, A major. 2 sharps, D major. 1 sharp, G major. 0 sharps, C major. And let's climb down to the basement. 1 flat, F major. Pop up to a higher F. 2 flats, B flat major. 3 flats, E flat major. 4 flats, A flat major. I'm gonna find another A flat so we don't run out of room. 5 flats, D flat major. 6 flats, G flat major. And the last one, 7 flats, C flat major. Let's climb back up to 0, okay? So here is 7 flats, C flat major. 6 flats, G flat major. 5 flats, D flat major. 4 flats, A flat major. Find another A flat. 3 flats, E flat major. 2 flats, B flat major. 1 flat, F major. Find another F, and 0 flats, 0 sharps, C major. So I hope that brought back some memories of our thinking and talking about this earlier on in the class. That's what I'd like you to learn today. So make sure that you take your version of the ladder of fifths that you downloaded from the Google Classroom and just complete this activity. See if you can do it yourself. Of course, here are the answers, but it'd be lovely if you'd be able to figure that out using the reasoning that we just did, or you just took some notes right now from this video. When you complete your ladder of fifths, just take a picture of it and submit that as your exit ticket homework for today. I look forward to seeing your photographs of this little worksheet that you completed today, and we will follow up on this activity another day. Meanwhile, keep enjoying playing our music, Colors of the Wind, Phantom of the Opera, and I'll be in touch with you soon. Thanks, guys.